Now we will discuss the question number 3 of exercise 12.1. So let's see the question. Now this is the question. So this question says we have got a diagram. The diagram is given here. In this diagram, it shows an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions. So I'm sure you may see the 5 scoring regions. This one is gold. Now from here we are going outwards. Gold, then red, then blue, then black, and then white. So these are the 5 scoring regions that we have. Now the diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeters. So that means this is the gold one. Now let me make the diagram again so it becomes clear. So what they are saying is, let's say this one is the gold one which I make. Change the color as well. So maybe this is like so this is the gold one. So what information they are saying? They are saying that the diameter of this gold region. So let me make the diameter as well. This is the diameter. They are saying that this diameter is what? 21 centimeters. So let's note this as well. It's important to understand the question because till the time you won't understand the question, you cannot plan your strategy, how you're going to solve it. So read question carefully. So this is 21 centimeter. That's what they have given. The diameter of this whole region. Now, in each of the other bands. Now, what do they mean by bands? Let's understand. Bands means only this portion that you see. So, let me make another diagram. Then it will become clear. So, let's say if I make another circle, which is outside this. So, from gold, now the second that we have is the red. So, let me change the color to red. The red. Okay, now we don't see the gold one. Let's do the magic here so we can see the gold as well. Okay. Now the gold is visible and the red also. So the only portion that you see in the red, that is one band. So other bands means this is one band. The red. And now they are saying that the this band is 10.5 centimeter wide. That means I can take anywhere. Let's say if I just take this part from here to here, this one. So this portion that we have is this is the 10.5 centimeter. And I can take it anywhere else as well, like anywhere. If I go like here, this is also 10.5 centimeter. So this is the band that they are talking about, only this much. So this width that we have all around will be 10.5 centimeter. Similarly, if I go for the blue region, only this much part, only blue, which is this is 10.5 centimeter, and so on. For black also, this is also 10.5 centimeter, and for white also, this is 10.5 centimeter. So I hope you have got the idea what this question says. In this question, we have got 5 different regions. I just made 2 here. And the first one, we starting with gold. This is in the center. And now we are moving outward. So for this gold region, this is which is circle. The diameter is 21 centimeter. And now the each of this band, which is this one, the width of this band is 10.5 centimeter. That's what they have. Now we have to find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. So now we have understood the question. Let's start solving it. So how we will solve it? So first I'll write what is given. That's what we do. So what they have given? They have given us the diameter of gold region. That's what is given in the question. That is 21 centimeter. So if diameter is 21 centimeter, can I calculate the radius? Radius of gold region, and I'm sure you may remember the relation between the diameter and the radius. So diameter is given, radius is the half of diameter. So it can be 21 by 2, or if I'll divide it, then we'll get 10.5 centimeter. So the radius of gold region is 10.5 centimeter. And we have to find the area of each individual region. So let's start from the gold. Because they are saying find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. So first scoring region is this. That's what we have, which is in gold. So let's take only the gold one. And let's calculate this. So now I'll write here area of cold region. This is what we are calculating right now. It clearly looks circle. This is a circle, and we know the formula for area of circle. That means area of gold region will be equal to, we'll use the formula which is pi r square. Now what is the value of r? Which is 10.5. So I can write equals to, pi can be 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Let's see if they have mentioned anything in the question or not. No, they did not mention. They did not specify what value of pi you should take. So we can take 22 upon 7 as well, or we can take as 3.14. Now here I see that the radius is in the decimal, so I am taking the pi also in decimal. So 3.14, and we will multiply it with r square. So what is the value of r? The value of r is 10.5. So now this is simple multiplication. So you can multiply. I'm assuming that you know how to multiply. If not, then please practice that. You can use the calculator here. So let's see, it's 3.14 times 10.5 times 10.5. And this gives us 346.185. 346.185. Let me write it. 346.185 centimeter square. This is the answer that we have got for the first region. I hope you understood how we calculate the area of the first region, which is the gold region. Now let's talk about the second. So let's look at the figure again. Now the second that we have, which is the red one. Now we'll calculate the area of red region. So let's see how can we calculate the area of red region. Let's talk about the area of red region. Area of red region. Let me see if I can change the color with red. So area of red region. Now I have already made the diagram here. So let's copy this and let's talk about it. This is what we have area of red region. It's not necessary that you make the diagram again and again. The reason I am making it just for the explanation, so you get the better idea what is happening here. Now see, if I just want to calculate this region, just only the red one. So can you see that this is like the ring, the area of ring, that's what we are trying to calculate here. If you remember the formula for area of ring. So what is happening here? From the bigger circle, the area of bigger circle, if I subtract the area of this gold region, which is the smaller circle, then whatever is remaining, that will be only this red portion. That means if I want to calculate the area of just this red region, or let me see what word they have used, area of each of the five scoring regions. So I can say the area of second scoring region or red region. That's only just the red. So this is the whichever word or statement you want to use, you can use that. Area of second region. Area of second region. So what is the logic that we have applied here? We are finding the area of this bigger circle, the outside, and will minus the area of this gold region. So area of gold region we have already calculated, which is this one, 346.185. So let's see how we'll calculate the area of this bigger circle. The formula is same, which is pi and r. Now the question is, what will be the radius? Think about it. If you want, you can pause the video here and check what will be the radius here. Now to understand the radius, let's look at the figure. In this figure, we know that this radius is 10.5, right? For the gold region. This is 10.5. And we know that this width is same everywhere. So if this width is same everywhere, what am I doing? I am adding this 10.5 plus 10.5. That means I am getting 21. See here. 10.5 plus 10.5. So the radius of this bigger circle that you see, this will be 21. So that means I can write here pi and the value of r is 21. So this is 21 square. And then minus, we have already calculated this area which is 346.185. So I can just write it directly, the 346.185. And now again, it's in decimal, so I can use the value of pi as 3.14. And then we are multiplying it with the square of 21. Make sure you memorize these squares if you have not done, because that will be helpful. So square of 21 is 441 minus 346 point, I can just take it as 1.18 or 185, whichever you are comfortable with. Now again, this is pure calculation. So 441 and we have to multiply it with 3.14. So 441 minus multiply. So 441 multiplied by 3.14. 1 multiplied by 3.14. We're getting 1384.74. 1384.74 minus 346.18. Now we just have to subtract. So we'll subtract, which is 1384.74 minus 346.18. This is 1038.56. So 1038.56. Okay, see, I am using the calculator here, and I'm sure it is not allowed in the examination. So make sure you practice for the multiplication. I'm assuming in grade 10 you know how to multiply the decimal number. Please practice it. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So I'll make the video on how to multiply. So we have calculated the area of two regions. The first region was easy, which was directly the gold region. So just the formula of area of circle we have used. For second region, it was bit complicated because it's only this portion that we are talking about. And what logic we have used here? The logic we have used here is if we can subtract the area of this gold region from the area of this big circle, then what will be remaining? The remaining part will be this much. Now the question was we did not have the radius of this bigger circle. So to find the radius of bigger circle, the logic that we have used is we knew the radius of this circle, the gold circle is 10.5, and we also know the width of this region which is 10.5. So we just added 10.5 plus 10.5 and that gave us the radius of the complete bigger circle. So I hope you are able to understand what we are discussing here and how we are able to find these values. Now, if you have understood how did we find the area of these two regions, now it will be easier for you to calculate the area of the third region. So let's see how can we find the area of third region. So the third region that we have is it's blue. So I am making the diagram again, but as I said, it's not necessary for you to make this diagram. The reason I am making it is just to make sure that you get the idea what actually is happening here. So that's the only motive of making these diagrams again and again. But this is not compulsory, you don't have to make it. So right now you only have two regions. We have already solved these two. Let me make the third one as well. Third one will be outside this. Arrange it properly. This is the one. This color should be blue. So let me change the color with blue. Okay, this is the blue, but again, it hide it. So now match. Okay. Now, if you see this one, again, let's go back to the question. In question, they said that for every band that we have, the scoring band, this is the width is 10.5. That means I can again extend here and see that to get the radius of now this bigger circle, I can add 10.5 to this radius. That means the radius of bigger circle that we have right now is the blue one, outer blue one. And now we only have to subtract the red region. Now please be careful here. Do not subtract red also and gold also. Do not do that because gold is the part of red only. So we have to only subtract the area of this, the second circle that we have. So if I want to find the area of third region, so I'll write area of third region. How we are going to calculate this? To calculate the area of third region, we need to find the area of this blue circle now, because now this is the bigger one, and we have to subtract only this one. That means now do not even think about the gold, that gold is here. It's only complete red. So the good part is we have already calculated this complete area, which was in the previous questions. We calculated this area, which is this one, red. Now the only part we have to calculate is the area of this complete circle. So let's calculate that. So now its formula is same as pi. Now what will be the value of r? So we had already calculated 21 plus 10.5. I hope you're getting how we are doing this 21 plus 10.5, because still here it's 21 and then 10.5 is this much. So that means this is 31.5. So 31.5 whole square minus, we have to subtract the area of this red region completely. Now be careful here. The complete region is this. Do not write this answer, because this answer is only for this red band. But now we are looking for the complete second circle, the area of the second circle, which is 1384.74. So 1384.74. So I can write here 1384.7. I hope you are able to understand. Let me repeat once again what did I just say. Now we are calculating the area of third band, which is only this much. And the logic we are applying here is, if we can find the area of this complete bigger circle, the outer one, and we'll subtract only the area of this red one. Now I'll correct it. Red is only this much. The second circle, the complete second circle, which also include this gold one. So when we calculated this area, this was 1384.74. So make sure you do not subtract this one, because this is only for red. Now it's pure calculation. So as we have used 3.14 here in previous calculation, so we'll use 3.14 here as well. Now I am using the calculator here. 31.5 times 31.5. It's 992.25. So it's 992.25 minus 1384.7. Please practice for these multiplication, because calculator will not be allowed. So make sure you practice it. This will help you and speed up your calculation, because you won't have much time. So now we have 3.14 and we have to multiply it with 992.25 and we get 3115.65. So 3115.65 minus 1384.7. So this is pure calculation part which I am doing. Now let's just subtract it directly what we have. So 3115.65 minus 1384.74. We get 1730.91. 1730.91. Its area, so make sure you write the unit as centimeter square. I hope you are able to understand what we are doing here. If you have any doubt, please go back and watch it again. This question is actually easy, but just you need to understand how do we find the radius. What is actually happening here? So this is 1730.91 centimeters. This is for the blue one. This is the area of third or the blue region. That's what we can say. Now, if your answer is not matching with the answer sheet, do not worry about it. The difference of one or two may be there just because of the values that we are taking, 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Or if I'll extend it 3.141, the answer will always change. So a difference of one or two units is fine, there's no problem. Now let's calculate the area of fourth region. Now, if you have got the idea till now what we are discussing, then I'm sure you should be able to visualize how can we calculate the area of fourth region. So again, you can pause the video, think, are you able to guess it, how we are going to get the area of fourth region? Now we already have this diagram, so let me copy it. I am saying it again, you don't have to make this diagram again and again. The only reason I am making it for the explanation. That's the only motive. So now let me make one more circle. Let's say, now if I make one more circle here, let me make it bigger. Let's line it. Now let's see what is the color. The color is black. So let's make it black. This is complete black, and as always happens, it hides. So let's do the magic. Now we see. So this is the black one. Now I think you may be able to get the idea. How can we calculate the area of this? So the logic will remain same. The area of complete bigger, the outer circle minus the area of this third circle. Area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. Area of third circle we have already calculated, which is this one. Please be attentive and make sure you do not think that this is the area of third circle. No, this is not the area of third circle. The answer that we have got here is the area of third band. Third band is which is only the blue color that we see. But right now we have to subtract the complete circle which includes both, and that was this one. So I hope you may have got the idea what we are actually doing here. So let's complete it and see what we have. Okay. So what do we have now? Now we are calculating the area of fourth region. So let me write it again. That area of fourth region. Area of fourth region, the formula will remain same, which is pi r square. Now the same question. What will be the value of r? So if you have followed the diagram till here, I think you can guess this will be again 10, because that's what they said in the question. That the width of each band is same, which is 10.5, not 10, sorry, 10.5. So we had reached till 31.5, and now we have to add 10.5 as well. So let's add 31.5 plus 10.5, and we get 42. We're getting 42 here, that means now the radius is 42. So we'll write here this is, and we have to subtract the area, and which area we are going to subtract, which is 3115.65. We'll subtract 3115.65. This is what we are going to subtract. Now again the calculation part. This is what you have to practice. If you have any doubt in how do we multiply this, please let me know. I'll make a separate video and I'll show you how do we multiply. Right, let's complete the calculation here. 1764, that's what we get, minus 3115.6. Let's see what do we get when we multiply 1764 times 3.14. We get 5538.96. So 5538.96 minus 3115.65. See, this is pure calculation part. Make sure you do it on your own. In case if I have miscalculated somewhere, please take care of that. It's just the digits. Understand the concept. Calculation part you can do on your own, but you should be more focused about the concept. You should understand what actually we are doing. Rest is a simple calculation. Digits, that's what we have. So 5538.96 minus 3115.65. We get 2423.31. 2423.31. And again, this is the area, so this is centimeter square. So now the concept is same. What we are doing here is we are just subtracting from the bigger circle to the smaller circle. That's the same concept that we are doing here. So this is the area of fourth region or fourth band, which is the black. And now the last one, which is area of fifth region. So if you have got the idea, whatever we have just discussed, then I'm sure you should be able to guess what we are going to do to find the area of fifth region. Again, you can pause the video and try answering on your own. So now let me complete this diagram here and let me make one more circle. If I make one more circle, I think it should be like this. This is one more circle which I have made. Let's see the color. What is the color that we have? Okay, great. Color is white, so no problem. I don't have to do anything. It's already white. Now, I'm sure you may have got the concept here how we are going to calculate. Now, the question really will be the radius of this outer circle. So, till now we have done 42. We just have to do 42 plus 10.5. So, the fifth one I leave for you. This is your homework. Make sure you try it and get the answer. However, if you have any doubt, let me know. I'll make the video again and we'll calculate this. But I think by now you may have got the idea how to calculate the area of